is very high.
In the world there are a lot of deserts, but the most important are Antarctic Desert, Arctic Desert, Sahara Desert, Arabia Desert, Australia Desert, Gobi Desert, Kalahari Desert, Patagonic Desert, Syria Desert, and Chihuahua Desert.
The most watched animal in the desert are ostrich, bear, cipolote, gerbillo, snake, and another. But the most important are snake, cipolote, ostrich, and bear.
The climate of the desert has a high temperatures because never rain. The live there is very difficult because the temperatures are on the 55.
Flora desert have adapted to extreme situations. For example, too hot and water scarcity. Desert flora, flowers and plants is cactuses, some mangroves,